जर शारांचे FAR वापरपाक जाय जाल्यार ग्रामपंचायतींनी आपूण शार म्हूण जाहीर करचे असो थोमणो विजय सरदेसायान मारलो. कळंगूट कानोळे ह्या ग्रामपंचायती म्हूण वावरतात, मात शारांचे FAR वापरपाक फाटीं फुडें पळयनात. ही अशी विसंगती कित्याक अशेंय विजय विचारता. कळंगूट कानोळे आनी सुकूर सारक्यो ग्रामपंचायती लेगीत मडगांव नगरपालिके परस चड गिरेस्त आसात अशेंय विजय म्हणटा.
Now in Michael Lopez Kandoli Kalangut area, they are planning area. They are taking benefit of FAR, but they are a village panchayat. अरे ये बरे मरे. If you compare our Margaon municipality to Kalangut panchayat, we must be much poorer than them. If you compare our Margaon municipality to Porvorim कितें ते सुकोर तुमचे ते panchayat, we must be much poorer. So you want the FAR of the city, but you don't want to be categorized as a city. Speaker sir, I find this very surprising, and I call the attention of the minister to this issue, because today he holds town planning and he holds urban development. So if he is giving FAR of cities to villages, then he should make those villages into cities. In any case, by sending those reports, you will not able to reverse the making of that city. Kalangut and Kandoli has become a city. You can't now reverse it and make it a village. It is not possible. It is gone out of hand. Kalangut, Kandoli, so much of water has flown and so much of paint has flown.
What is your recommendation?
My recommendation is like this, Speaker sir. एक, कि तुझ्या अंदर ते तू ते सिटीचे FAR तांकां दिता, जाल्यार ती सिटी कर मरे. Kalangut, Kandoli, make it into a city. You are the minister now. Take a clear-cut decision. Elections are 4 years away. काय begin करता तुम्ही? Election begin करून जाल्यार कोणाक दिता? Make it into a city. Let them pay the taxes. In any case, they are earning. Give them facilities of the cities. Give them underground sewerage, underground electricity, which we as cities get. But you can't get the FAR of a city and try to say I am a village panchayat, because village panchayat in सगळं management पर्यंत जाता.